How to measure the eSPI bus.
Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position.
Set the trigger condition. Set protocol decoders. Find eSPI protocol decoder. Configuration protocol decoder. Click the single capture icon. Start the device under test. Click the packet list button. Click the zoom out icon. Double-click the packet in the packet list and the waveform will be displayed synchronously. In the Setting window, the user can change the item to display. Click the export icon. Export the packet list to CSV file or text file. After the text file is exported, it opens.
Thank you for watching.